Winch
I
in.
never made it through.
Okay, you're tight. No,
Going to be swapping out the steel winch cable that came on this winch a couple of years ago, and it's pretty frayed and beat up, got a few kinks in it. We're swapping it out today for some synthetic rope from Freedom Ropes. So let's get this stripped off. Set screw right here that's clamped down on the cable, so I'll get some Allen wrenches and open that up. Now that the cable's out, next step will be to take off this roller fairlead. I'm going to be replacing it with a solid aluminum Haas fairlead. So it's common when you run steel cable to run this roller fairlead. You can see this one's all bent from getting pulled in weird directions, but now that I'm switching to a synthetic rope, I'm going to run this fairlead that I got from my buddy Lee Lim at Solve Function, and he put a custom little logo on it for me. So the old cable was held in with a set screw that clamped down on the rope, but the new one has an eyelet in the end, so I just found an equivalent metric bolt in my scrap bin, and I'm going to use this to attach the end of the winch rope to the drum. Now that I've got the winch rope started, you need to make sure that you draw it in under as much load that you can create. I've got a pretty good angle on my driveway, so what I'm going to do is back the truck down the driveway, and I'll connect the winch line to my wife's car in the garage, and then I'll put the truck in neutral and I'll pull the truck uphill while I spool the rope in. That way it gets it a good stretch and it lays the layers in real tight. That way it doesn't give me any trouble later. Remember to always use a new fairlead. That way you don't have any burrs that are going to cut the new rope. And make sure you've got a smooth transition on the inside so that there's nothing behind the fairlead that's going to cut the rope as well. Load it under pressure. That way it doesn't suck down and drop the rope between layers. And then you end up getting the rope stuck. Best thing to do is find an incline like I use my driveway, put the truck in neutral, leave it running to charge the battery, because the winch is going to take a lot of power out of it, and spool it up, steer the truck left and right, get the rope wrapped up good and tight, and there you have it. There's the process to swap out steel cable to synthetic rope winch line. How many times do we have this winch line out today?
Ew. It's freed us from a few